Welcome back, Sophie.
Thanks.
Round two, what are you going to sing for us?
I'm gonna sing Downtown by Petula Clark.
Cool. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Practicing hard?
Yeah.
Good.
What you're scaring, you cannot have your song, right? Yeah. I'm going to find it for you.
Come on, John. There.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. And when you got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon lights are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, get all your cares and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. You'll find a place for sure downtown. Everything's waiting for you. Downtown. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go where they never go.